Hi, my name is Jan Benham, founder and CEO of the Institute of Aromatherapy and the Aroma Shop. I have been a cosmetic formulator since the 1980s. Today I'm going to talk about the E-course, the art of making blushes and bronzers. Now this particular course is an advanced course, and the prerequisite for this course is to have taken the art of making mineral makeup. Now, in the art of making mineral makeup, you will have learned how to have made mineral foundation, blusher, and eyeshadows. You also learn the basics of working with the powders that we use. Everything we use here is completely natural, and there are no FC&D dyes or parabens or silicones. So these powders all have their own unique properties, which you would have learned about, and how to mix them in order to get the best adhesion and slip to your makeup. And then you would have also learned how to work with the color wheel, so how to make any color under the rainbow with the use of oxides such as red, yellow oxide, and also ultramarine blue, and then white and black. In this course, then you get also a whole array of, this is a kit that you will get as part of the course. Although if you have signed up for the advanced foundation and the advanced eyeshadow, you get the blusher course thrown in as well. So you get a little bit more than this. So we send you a kit that is to encompass all three of those courses, and you get a little bit more product than you would if you bought each course individually. So you get to play with different micas that you wouldn't normally play with in the eyeshadows. So we work with 24 karat gold and black star gold, and working to make bronzers. So it's slightly different from, it's very different from making the eyeshadows. And then you're going to learn how to make pressed blusher and pressed bronzers, as well as cream bronzers and blushes. So you need for this, we provide you with a pressing clamp in this course. And then you obviously need pressing tiles. So we give you two types of pressing tiles because we're going to give you two sizes of go pots. So this is the 26 mm, which is normally for the eyeshadows, but it's useful if you want to make small amounts for bronzers and blushes, just to try them out. And then this would be the typical size for your blush, which is 36 mm. So we provide you with a couple of those, plus a variety of tin pans to press into. You also receive pressing mediums such as Naturderm IL and DiCaprio carbonate, and then also product in order to be able to make creams and lotions, to make your cream and lotion bronzer and blusher. We usually also give a few little extras as well, such as this is an eco magnetic pan. It just fits 2 of the 36 mm, it's magnetic, or 6 of the small eyeshadow tin pans. So it's a fun course, a creative course, artistic. So if you have any other questions, please feel free to contact me. So this is about the art of making blushes and bronzers. So bye for now.